Hi guys, are you a Harry Potter fan? Would you guys like to know how to make an easy, cheap Harry Potter game? I helped design the game, show you how to make it and how to play. How to do that right now. Let's go! Mum found spells online and wrote them with a chalk pen on pebbles. Made some Harry Potter runes. We found a lovely red bag. Painted the house colours blue, green, yellow and red on 4 tiny little stones. First, turn your house stones over and each player picks the house. I got Ravenclaw, Mum got Slytherin and Dad got Hufflepuff. And take it in turns, youngest to oldest, to take spells or a rune out of the bag. The first one with 5 runes is the winner.
Oh, what spell have you got? Eliza's got the Avacadabra spell. Means that you can take all your opponent's stones away, so you have to choose an opponent first. You're choosing me to cast the spell, so I have to throw my house stone. If it lands with my colour up, your spell failed and bounced back on you. And if it lands with my colour down, the spell worked. Okay?
Oh, no, I don't like it.
Oh, it bounced back on you. Now you've got to throw that one to see if it works on you then. It worked on you, so you lose your rune.
Wait, what? Put all the instructions in the description down below. Come on, down.
Choose Dad. So Dad, throw your stone in the air, and if it lands on your colour, it bounces back to me. Oh, it worked. So Daddy misses a turn.
I've had this one.
What's that one? That's Expelliarmus. So you can use that to take a rune from a player. So choose a player, and then they've got to throw it to see if you take a rune off them.
It worked on you.
It worked on me.
Expecto Patronus, that's like a get out of jail. So if a spell does work on me, I can still bounce it back with the Patronus.
You can only use it once.
That's right, and then you have to put it back in the bag. I mean, if you've got now 4 runes, you need to get some runes off Dad.
Don't spell me!
Ridiculous. That means that I can have another turn because I stood up against a boggart.
A rune!
Daddy got 5 runes!
Voldemort wins.
Make it for tune noises.
That goes fast.
Do you know what happens when that happens? You'll disappear.
Comment down below what house you were in, or you could just comment about this video if you like it or not. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Eliza's World. Turn it from red to grey, and I'll see you guys on Eliza's World next time. Bye! Hit that like button